All right, let me get Manny. Oh, you getting the Manny. Oh, Poe down. Poe down. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Logan Schnider, if you don't already know who I am. But we're gonna go trick-or-treating. So basically, we're gonna trick-or-treat, and then we're gonna go to a carmeet.
I'm a bird.
Lincoln's a bird. All right,
Candy, bro.
next house.
Oh,
to be honest, I don't think I want candy from any of the people in this neighborhood.
yeah, hey.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Yeah, I don't think he's getting. I don't think they're budging. None of them have their lights on. This one does.
Yeah, I don't think anyone down here is gonna serve candy.
Damn, no candy, no candy. Yeah, they have their light on. Let's try this one. We might as well. Do you guys have candy? Huh? Do you guys have candy? Me and my good friend Dr. Skip with her here. Whoa. And we made it to the car meet. And it's kind of a trunk or treat. So we're gonna buy some candy for the kids. Ooh. So let's get into Target. Where's the candy?
Probably down that one. Tootsie Rolls, bro. Tootsie Rolls go hard.
Nah.
Oh, Tootsie Pops. Ooh. I should get Tootsie Rolls or Tootsie Pops.
Tootsie Pops. Those are smack. And it's a good medium. Yo! Target's ran through.
Oh,
get this, no balls. Ooh. Hey, it's 35. That's kind of taxing. Oh, what?
I thought it was gonna be like 50.
Really? It's 35. What about this?
Oh, that is kind of sick.
And you can wear that to sleep in.
How big is it?
And it's
Dude,
super.
how much is it?
27.
How big is it? Large? Yeah, it's been like fucking 20 years since I put one of these on. Somebody already tried this on, dude.
Yo, wear it and then have them do the price tag.
Have them ring it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, this is so
David
cool.
Coppin.
I love this, dude. Alright, where's the bowls at? It's got no pockets though. That's the only
I know, that's mine too.
But it's only $30.
When I have to get my phone, I have to like zip it and then go.
Uh-huh.
I cannot wait to see the look on their faces when they see me like this. Imagine we were those kind of YouTubers. Yo, look at what this fool just copped. Bye. Got Michael Myers. He's scary. How you doing, Zach?
All right. I'm irritated. You're looking sexy. Yes. Yes. Holy fuck.
Ryder showed up. Oh, it's Michael Myers again. Can I have one? Thank you, kind sir.
He's not even talking.
Does Michael Myers talk, stupid? Oh, they swinging it. Oh, they swinging it. Oh, yup. Oh, yup. Woo! Woo! Get it. Get it. Woo! Yup. Yup.
Ryder, bro.
This is in a Teletubby, bro.
Yo, he got the LEDs inside the hood. Bro. This is the same one from the Paul Walker one.
Oh.
Hey, they got a little fairy thing on the back.
Where's David? Oh, there.
David's right there.
Oh.
Hey.
Yo, Eli. What the fuck? Yo.
Look how stupid this fool looks. Oh, you bopped. Get it. Get it. Get it. Woo! Oh. Oh.
Oh my God.
That's Cody Flum's car. Eli, if I land a heel rewind first try flat, I get $1.
From who?
You. I get $1 from you?
Not me.
I get $1 if I heel rewind flat first try. All right. It has to be first try though. Oh, I almost got it. No dollar though. I'll get redemption though.
Get that.
Yo, she got a scooter too?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. How about you?
I just did a kicky flat first try, and I don't even remember ever even landing one of those before. Oh, there's Dave.
Yo, that was gangster. Oh my god.
Even those, dude. That's fucking.
Oh, that's cool though.
That's hella cool.
Yeah! Yeah, that's funny.
That's not really. That's not really.
Yo, where the Reese's at? Yo! I just lost my hearing, bro. I can't hear. Bro, I just lost my hearing. Is it warm here, or is that just me? Is that just me?
Watch out, I'll hit a wheelie. I want to hang on to the tag.
Oh, Ferrari, Ferrari, Ferrari! Ferrari, 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 Ferrari! I thought that would be more eventful. Oh, the Ferrari's backing in. It's hot.
Oh my god.
For the one time? What are you gonna do? Double whip?
They move? They don't.
Hey, should I try to jump it? Did I get over? Oh! Yo, he's slapping on the outside.
You don't even know. What the fuck was that?
I'd have cried.
Hi YouTube. Remember me? No? Okay.
I have no more speed. I like 350s a lot. They swing it again. Oh, yup! Oh, yup! Oh, yup!
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah.
I want to hear what something.
Ferrari, 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 Ferrari. All right, let me get Manny. Oh, you getting the Manny. Oh, Poe down. Poe down. Rip.
Swing it!
Somebody want to race me?
I got you, bro.
Hey, you race him, I'll stitch it.
I'm bone stock though. I'm just gutted.
Hey, you race him, I'll stitch it.
All good. I only got an intake.
Ain't saying I don't got nothing.
And some maxis.
Stop. And a bag of hot Cheetos.
Bone stock. Let's go.
Take the seatbelts out. Weight reduction.
We gonna get this right here. Everybody gather around. Everybody gather around. Everybody gather around right here. All right. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Yeah, get it! Yeah! Y'all too sauce. Y'all too sauce.
There's 2 people on here and there's only one over there.
Teletubby first among us. This is the race of the century, ladies and gentlemen. All right, are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
That just fucking ran me over.
Teletubby for the win! Yeah! Bro, he almost hit a car. Y'all almost hit a car. This is content right here. I make my own content.
Oh, y'all.
Where did the